Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Scorpio. Pauna mensahe ninyo is for general life. So, we have judgment. Ayan. So, there could be something dito that you need to decide on. Kailangan ninyong pagdesisyonan ito. But siguro, before that, kailangan ninyo muna na i-assess, no, ang sitwasyon. Kailangan muna ninyo na i-assess ang nararamdaman din ninyo towards this situation, no? Or kailangan ninyong tignan maigi, no? What is happening around that situation. So, you may need to do some kind of assessment muna. Kasi, kailangan na pag-isipan ninyong mabuti, no? Kung ano magiging desisyon ninyo rito sa sitwasyon na ito. Kasi it could be in any area of life, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon yan. Kung ano yung sa tingin ninyo na matagal ng pabalik-balik ito na pwedeng pabalik-balik na problema at matagal na ninyong ini-ignore ito. So, yun ang kailangan ninyong pag-decisionan. You'll be able to know, no? Mafi-figure out ninyo if this message resonates with you. Mafi-figure out ninyo yan kung alin ang problema na kailangan ninyong isipin, kailangan ninyong aksyonan sa ngayon, no? But yun, kailangan ninyong i-assess ng mabuti yung sarili ninyo, yung sitwasyon ninyo, 'di ba? Para na before you make a decision. Okay? Kasi ano man ang maging decision ninyo sa ngayon, that's going to have a long-term impact, 'di ba? Kaya kailangan mapag-isipan ninyo at makita ninyo maigi ang all four corners ng inyong sitwasyon. So, your next message is for your money, career, and finances. We have Ace of Cups. This is really beautiful, Scorpio. Kasi Ace of Cups is a new beginning. At saka divine blessing ito. No? Maraming pwedeng biyaya, no? Blessings na ipadala sa inyo ng divine universe sa ngayon. That's going to, and that's what you need, no? Sa ngayon, kung anong kailangan ninyo, yun ang ibibigay sa inyo, yun ang ipapadala sa inyo. At saka, kung ano to, no, na ibibigay sa inyo, it's going to give you a feeling of fulfillment. It's gonna give you a feeling of fulfillment, satisfaction, yung ganon, no? Kaya, napakaganda nitong sitwasyon. This is something that you are going to start then sa ngayon. So, depende yan, no? Pwedeng meron kayong bagong trabaho or additional na trabaho, bagong racket, 'di ba? Bagong career path, bagong negosyo, pwedeng bagong pagkakakitaan ang pwedeng dumating sa inyo. So, depende yan, no, sa inyong sitwasyon. Pwedeng merong bagong kaperahan, bagong blessing na pera na ang matatanggap ninyo din sa ngayon. No? So, this is something that you are definitely going to embrace because this is new for you, no? This is totally new for you. Kaya, good luck sa'yo. So, pagdating naman sa inyong relationships, we have the Hierophant. Wow. So, Hierophant is a marriage card. Tapos, nag-fall siya sa relationship area. So, pwedeng ang iba sa inyo rito is getting married. Baka magpapakasal na ang iba sa inyo. Mag-aasawa na. Magsisettle down na, no? So, pwedeng ganun ang ganap dito for some of you. At, pwede rin, Scorpio, na marami kayong matututunan sa buhay ngayon pagdating sa inyong mga relasyon. Maaaring may mga iba't ibang situation sa relationships ninyo ngayon na mag-iiwan sa inyo ng wisdom, mag-iiwan sa iyo ng more knowledge, more lessons, no, in life. So, pwedeng ganun ang ganap. Possible din, no? Possible din, ang iba sa inyo dito, Scorpio, is siguro nagbabasa kayo ng mga self-help books, no? Yun ang napipick up ko dito. Mahilig siguro ang iba sa inyo magbasa ng mga self-help books para magabayan kayo about managing your relationships. Hindi lang yung love relationship, but also relationship with friends, with other people, no? So, pwedeng nag-aaral kayo on your own. You are doing research, or maybe, yun nga, no? Mga self-help books siguro ang binabasa ninyo to help you na mas kung paano ninyo mas mamamanage ng maayos ang mga relationships ninyo. So, final message ni Scorpio would be solitude. Ayan, think of being alone as meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during these quiet times. Ayan, so you're being advised dito, no, na mag-solitude kayo. You're being invited here na mag-solitude kayo because maaari na baka marami kayong dapat na pag-isipan, no, lalong-lalo na that would be related to this judgment energy. Maybe there is a decision that you need to make, an important decision that you need to make. Okay? Kaya, ayun, kailangan ninyo na mapag-isa muna. Kailangan ninyo na mag-solitude kayo so that you'd be able to connect with your soul, tap into your soul, no? Yung ganon. Kaya, kailangan ninyo ngayon na put yourself into stillness, put yourself into solitude, okay? So, what else? We have protection. The fairies of protection are shielding you with a magical fairy ring of love and light. Practice psychic protection before embarking upon any spiritual work, okay? So, this is also a reminder para sa'yo, okay? No, lalo-lalo na if you are a spiritual worker, before you embark on your spiritual work, whatever that is, kailangan ninyo na unahin muna yung protection ninyo sa sarili. Shield yourself muna with psychic protection before you embark on any work, okay? Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.